Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punza, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today we're going to be making a green salad with our own salad dressing. First and foremost, wash your lettuce. Chop them up to the size that you desire. So it can be bigger than what I made or smaller. Put it into one bowl. Cut your red onion. Now I like using the red one because it's sweeter than the brown one. Put it in a bowl, mix it a little bit, make sure your hands are washed. Moving on to the peppers, I'm using green, red and yellow. The green and the yellow I use the same type of cut, and then the red I use the different one. Next, we're moving to the cucumber. So I just used half of the cucumber, and all I did was just sliced it. After that, we went to the cherry tomatoes. You just cut them in half. I used the serrated blade like I mentioned in one of my previous videos, that it's better. Put them in the bowl. Then after that, I just used 2 tablespoons, and then I just mixed up the whole salad. And we're gonna make our own salad dressing. So for this, we need 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of lemon, and 5 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey. And then you just mix everything together. Make sure you're tasting it to feel like, do you like the bitterness? And even if it starts out bitter in the beginning, when you pour it in the salad, remember all the green and everything is gonna take away that, so make it a little bit bitter, and then it's gonna be reduced once you put it into the salad. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And follow me on also all my social media platforms that are listed up here. And that's it from me, guys. Till next time, bye.